Paul Braswell. I'm the founder of Art Chit Chat and Chew. Art Chit Chat and Chew was created to provide education within the community and promote socialization. Today I'm going to show you how to handle artwork. You have to put on gloves. Of course, you see me put on gloves. And the artwork I'm going to handle is Dr. David C. Driskell. There's a center named after him in College Park, Maryland, at the University of Maryland, College Park. You see, this is in plastic. So I'm going to take the plastic off. And what I'm going to do is open it. And you want to use gloves because your hands, your DNA, and some skin, people's skin are very oily. And you don't want to put oil on the artwork. And this is a sample of Dr. Driskell's work that you'll see here. And it's protected. And you see it's clean, it's in mint condition, and that's a part of collecting and handling your art. You want to keep your art in mint condition for a multitude of reasons. One is, the most important is, it continues to raise the value of your work. Also, number two, as far as documentation for insurance purposes and appraisal, your work or your collection it's the essential that it's in mint condition and handle it. So now what I'm going to do is place it in the condition that I found it. And I'm going to show you again. It's from Dr. David Driskell, and there's a center named after him on the campus of University of Maryland campus in College Park, Maryland. Thank you so much for listening.